Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix brightness if it's not changing or working in Windows 11. Right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, right click on a blank space right here on your desktop. Okay. Now click on display settings. And then in here, you gotta scroll down a bit and you'll find brightness and colors. Now, if you're using a laptop, you'll be seeing, or you'll have the option brightness in here with a slider. If you're using desktop, you won't be able to see it. Okay. So it will look like this on your laptops. All right. So just adjust it however you want. And once done, you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, or if it's grayed out, or you don't have it, okay, just go ahead and right click on your start menu and then click on device manager. And then in here, find your display adapters, right click on it, click on update drivers, and then search automatically for drivers. If it says the best driver for your device are already installed, go back, browse right here, let me pick, select your graphics card, hit on next, and just wait for it. It will restart your display. I'm not going to do it because I'm currently recording. Okay, so just wait for it. And once that's done, go ahead over to your monitors, select your current display. For example, this one, I'm going to right click on it and click on update driver as well. Search automatically for drivers. If it says again the best driver, well, go back and browse. Let me pick and select your monitor's driver. If only generic PNP monitor is available, well, go ahead and select it and hit on next. Okay, and then once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, for some reason you can't still change the brightness. Okay, go ahead and follow these steps right here from this Redditor. I'm just going to read it. I don't know if it's clear enough for you to see. So for laptops with integrated CPU, Optimus user with NVIDIA GPU only. Okay, this might not work for some people, but for a lot of people it will. Sometimes when you update NVIDIA drivers, your brightness bar basically becomes useless. Either grayed out or just becomes useless. Okay, to fix this, open up NVIDIA control panel, manage display settings, and then change the display mode from Optimus to either auto or discrete GPU, as it doesn't matter, as you will have to switch it back to Optimus again. And then after that, just restart your computer, and once done, everything should work perfectly fine now. That is how you fix brightness if it's not changing or working in Windows 11. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.